Hey guys, welcome back to my HO scale track layout and everything. We are currently looking at my favorite steam locomotive by Bachmann Industries, Chesapeake and Ohio 377. But I'll tell you something different. I received something very special in the mail yesterday. A special way I've always wanted to control my train sets. And here it is. I give you the Bachmann EZ Command Control Center. This thing will allow you to control up to 9 controllable locomotives at the same time. So all I'm going to do is show you exactly how it works, starting right now. Okay, so looking at the EZ Command Control Center, you can see that it looks like nothing is on at the moment yet. But if you are wondering, I've got my red wire connected to the track and the black wire connected over to here. But why is nothing on, you're probably wondering? Well, I didn't realize it until I got it, that underneath here, if you look very closely, there is an on-off switch over here. I'm guessing they decided to add that in for safety, so gotta just flip it to on. And that's it. So, as you can see, the power to the locomotive is on, and that's also activated the sound as well. But you're probably wondering, as I turn this speed dial knob up, will it run? I don't think so. Because as instructed, they say once you turn this on, the stop LED light will be on, one of the directional buttons, as well as the number 1 LED. But when you get a locomotive onto the line by then, it's actually addressed to number 3. So you just gotta press the number 3 button. The number 3 LED will light, and away goes your engine. But let's say you wanted to address your locomotive to another number by then. Here's what you do. Press and hold the number 3 button. Don't release it yet. Then press and hold down the stop button, and then let go of the number 3 button. The sound will go off, and the stop LED light will blink quickly. So all there is left to do is assign your engine to which number you want it to be. We'll use the number 1, for example. Just press the number 1 button, and it'll be lit. And you'll also notice from this point on, the locomotive has moved slightly forward by then to indicate that it has received the addressing from number 3 to number 1. And at that time, the stop LED will blink very, very slowly. Press and release it, and then the LED will stay on constantly, and the sound is all back on. And then you're ready to control your engine, and all of that indicates that the address change was a success. Now we're going to talk about the sounds and everything. To control sounds and everything, that's what you got this function button for. Press and release the function button. And since our locomotive is addressed to number 1, the number 1 LED will blink very, very slowly, indicating that you're into function mode. And now I'm going to show you exactly what each number does. Number 1 is bell. Number 2 is a long whistle. Number 3 is a short whistle. Number 4 is steam release. Number 8 would mute the locomotive. And number 10 controls the headlights. See that? And plus, when I hit the directional button, you'll notice as the engine is in the forward position, 377's headlight is bright. When I put it into reverse position, it gets a little bit more dimmer. Then goes back to brighter when I put it into forward position. So, you can control the speed of the locomotive even in function mode. That way it will allow you to do a grade crossing with the bell 2 long whistles, 1 short, and another long whistle. So that's exactly how it works. As we bring my 377 around the entire loop of track I got set up. Very special locomotive, I find this is. And it's great to finally have the comfort of DCC right on this one unit. And this thing goes up to, I believe, about 28 speed steps for smooth operation and all. When you come into the station, you want to do a long whistle and a short indicating that you're there, and ring the bell until you bring the train to a stop. Excuse me. And there you have it. To exit function mode, just press it again, and then you're out of function mode. Alright, so that wraps up the review on how to use the EZ Command Control Center by Bachmann. It was great demonstrating using my favorite engine, number 377, so as we wrap up the review, we will leave you with a run-by of the beautiful 377 doing a grade crossing whistle and bell for you. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time in the St. Mary's Railroad. See you on the rails.